Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use maximum RAM in your PC. First, identify your system's current RAM capacity and type, like DDR4 or DDR5. Next, consult your motherboard's manual to determine its maximum supported RAM and compatible speeds. Finally, confirm that your operating system, whether it's a 64-bit version, can fully utilize the amount of RAM you plan to install. These initial steps are crucial for a successful upgrade. Once you know your system's capabilities, focus on physical installation. For optimal performance, always install RAM modules in matching pairs to enable dual-channel mode, which can significantly boost data transfer speeds. Consult your motherboard's manual to identify the correct DIMM slots for these pairs, often indicated by specific colors. Gently but firmly press each module into its slot until the clips on both sides snap into place, ensuring a secure connection. Beyond hardware, software optimization is key. Close any applications running in the background that you are not actively using, as they consume valuable RAM. Consider adjusting your virtual memory or page file settings to allow the operating system to manage memory more efficiently, typically by setting it to 1.5 times your physical RAM. Regularly use Task Manager to identify and manage memory-intensive programs, freeing up resources for your primary tasks. For advanced users, consider upgrading to faster RAM modules if your motherboard and processor support them, as this can provide a noticeable performance boost. Continuously monitor your RAM usage through tools like Task Manager or third-party utilities to understand how your system utilizes memory. Lastly, ensure all your device drivers, especially chipset and graphics drivers, are up to date. This ensures optimal interaction between your hardware components and efficient RAM management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.